In this video, you're going to learn the top 10 killer methods about how to earn money in affiliate marketing in 2023. 1. Choose the right affiliate products. Select products that align with your niche and target audience. 2. Build a strong website. Your website should be attractive, easy to navigate, and provide valuable content to your audience. 3. Utilize email marketing. Build a list of subscribers and promote affiliate products to them through email marketing. 4. Create compelling content. Develop blog posts, videos, and other content showcasing your promoting products. 5. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and questions from your audience, and encourage them to share their thoughts and experiences. 6. Network with other affiliates. Collaborate with other affiliates to cross-promote products and share tips and strategies. 7. Stay up to date with industry trends. Keep abreast of the latest trends and developments in affiliate marketing. 8. Make use of social media. Leverage social media platforms to promote your affiliate products and reach a wider audience. 9. Track your performance. Use analytics to monitor the performance of your affiliate marketing campaigns and make data-driven decisions. 10. Continuously improve your skills. Stay committed to improving your affiliate marketing skills by taking courses, attending conferences, and seeking out feedback from others in the industry.